Hello friends, welcome to Ulfmania. From today I am going to start a new PHP web development series, and in this series I will show you how to develop a complete secure login and registration system using Remember Me concept and forget password using Bootstrap 4, PHP and Ajax. So in today's video tutorial I am going to show you how to design a login, registration and forget password form using Bootstrap 4. So this is our form, this is our login form, this is for reset password form, and this is our registration form. So for designing this type of form we need Bootstrap 4. So first I'm going to create a folder inside htdocs folder. So XAMPP htdoc folder, I'm going to create a folder inside this, and complete comp underscore login. I'm creating my project name folder comp underscore login, and now I'm just going to open this folder inside my Sublime text editor. So drag this, close this. So I'm using Bootstrap 4 here. So first I'm just create a new file index.php, and here I will write some, remove this, and I'm just giving title here complete user registration and login system using PHP and Ajax. Okay, so first we need to include our library, Bootstrap library, and so for this open your web browser and open getbootstrap.com, and this is the CSS CDN link of Bootstrap 4. So copy this and paste inside the head tag. I will choose HTML here, and now I have also require JS and Popper.js and jQuery for working other stuff. So just copy all three CDN links and paste inside the body tag. You can see here this is the slim version of jQuery, so we need to include full version. So go to code.jquery.com, and here select minified, copy this and paste, remove this and paste here. Okay, so now our library files are ready. Sorry. Now I'm going to design our login, registration and forget password form. So save this, and I'm just opening my project localhost comp underscore login. So there is nothing because I have nothing mentioned here. So first I need to give a class in body tag, and bg dark. This is for the background color of the body. So this class is from Bootstrap 4. So now I'm going to create a container. So div container, and I will also give some margin top to 4, and inside the container I'm going to create a row, and inside this row I'm going to create a column. Sorry, div class call lg4, and also offset lg4, and I'm going to keep an ID alert, and inside this column I'm going to create another div and class alert danger, no success, alert success. And inside this I'm creating this alert for showing success and error message in of the form. So, and in strong I will keep an ID result here, and hello world, just print. So you can see a alert is showing here. So oh sorry, we have some container, that's right. Now inside this row I'm going to create another row. So for this, create div dot row, and inside the div I am creating a column again, call lg4 offset lg4, sorry, class call lg4 offset lg4. I'm giving offset because for centering, horizontal centering of this column. So, and I'm also giving some more classes, bg light for light background, and rounded corner. These all are the classes of Bootstrap, and I am also giving ID, and the ID is login box. So this column is for login box. So save this, and now inside this I'm going to create a head tag, so h2, and give class text center margin top 2, and I'm login. Now inside this I'm creating form tag, and in action I will keep nothing right now, and delete this also, and method should be post, delete this, and role form I will also use some padding in class padding2 and id login form. Okay, so now inside the form I'm going to create div class form group. Now inside the form group I'm just input type text name equal to user name class form control placeholder username, and this is a required field, so just write an attribute required. So this is, save it and let's check in the browser. So you can see a field of username is showing here. Now inside now below this I will create a password field. So just copy the above form group div and just change password text to password, and in the name also change password, and here password, and this is also required field. And okay, save this, check. So the two fields are showing here. Now I'm going to create a checkbox. So div dot form class form group. Now inside this form group I'm creating another div and giving class custom control and custom checkbox. Okay, now inside this I'm going to input type checkbox box and name remember me. So I'm giving rem class custom control input. Now I'm giving an id custom check. Now inside this I will create a label for custom label for class for custom check, and I'm giving a class also custom control label, custom control label, and here I will write remember me. Check this, just remove this. So here you can see a custom checkbox of Bootstrap 4. Now inside this form checkbox, I'm going to create not inside this, I am just creating another I'm just creating a href and remove title, id, forgot button, and class float right, and here forgot password, so it will just float to the right here. Okay, now inside this div I will create a button. So div class form group and input input type submit, name should be login, and id login, value login, and here I will give Bootstrap class button primary and button block. So you can see here button. Now inside button I will create another form group, div form group, and inside this I'm going to create a paragraph and class text center new user, and here remove this title, and I'm giving id register button and register here. Now save this and refresh this. So you can see our two input fields are here, and checkbox remember me and forget password link is here, and login button, and a link here for opening registration page, and this is for opening forgot password form. So now inside this I'm going to create our registration form. So for registration form, just copy this row, okay, copy this 1 minute. So here copy this whole row and paste inside this div. So paste, and here login form, just comment this login form, and this is our registration form, comment this also. So here we will change login to register box, and in the heading we will just use register, and in the form I will also change register form. And okay, all is good. Now here in input we will first require name, form control, and here full name required. And in second we will just ask username from user, so uname, form control, password, remove password, username, and make sure include in all input tag required attribute, and just copy this, paste. And now another field is for email, so just email ID, email. Okay, now create another field for password, so just password, password, and copy the same, paste. And this is for confirm password, so change the name attribute value to cpass, and here also confirm password. Okay, now for this checkbox we have to just custom check to and to, and here in the label just write I agree to the and just include a href here, and remove this, and just write terms and terms and condition, and just remove this forgot password link from here. Now this is our button, so we will also change here register, name attribute value should be registered, and ID should also be registered, and values should also be registered. Okay, so all is good. Now in this place we want to show a link to open to go back to login form, so here we will just already registered, so in the place of register button we will just write login button and just write login here. So our registration form is also complete. Now check. So this is our registration form with full name, username, email, password, and confirm password, and there is also a checkbox and button and link for going. Sorry, we have some. Just remove this register. now everything is fine. So this is our login form, this is our registration form, and one more form is left is forget form. So just copy the login form again and just paste inside this row, registration row, below the registration row. So forget password, just comment this and paste inside this. Now change this to forget box, and here we will reset the password. We will also change to forgot form, and we will remove all the, we don't need any checkbox field here, and so just remove this and this. So first I'm going to create another div class form group, and inside this form group I am small class text muted, and I will write an instruction for resetting the password. To reset your password, enter the email address, and we will send reset password instructions on your email. So here we will just change text to email, and forget password to app email. I will just write app email here, and in the placeholder we will just write email and a button, and in button just forgot and just reset. Okay, now here we will create a link to go back to the login form. So just remove this paragraph tag, and inside this write back, and here write back button. Okay, so now save, check. So underneath the registration form we will also see our reset password form. One thing is more, just give an class text center and check. Okay, so our text our back link is not centering here, so we will just cut from here and paste inside the text center. Now check, So you can see the back link is in center. So all the forms have been created, and in first we need to show only the login form. So we need to hide this and this form, and also the alert box. So for this, just go here and write some style and remove this media screen. Now here we need to hide our this is our login box, so we need to keep this in first while opening the project. So I'm not going to hide this login box, so I will hide this alert. So write alert, and I will also want to hide the register box. So register box, and I will also want to hide forgot box. Okay, now display none, control save, check. So as you can see here, our all the forms has been invisible, and only the login form is showing here. So now we need to trigger this forgot link and this register here, so that we can open our forgot password form and registration form. So if we click now, nothing is happening. So for this we we will do from jQuery. So just go here, and inside here, just above the closing body tag, we will write some JavaScript jQuery code. So script just write inside the script tag. So first we need to select our document in ready mode. So I will just creating an anonymous function here, and so now first we need to I'm going to, when we click on forgot password link, then this login form should be invisible, and our forgot password form will be show here. So what we have to do, so first we need to trigger this button, forgot password button. So what we have written in ID in login form, so check here, in the forgot password we have mentioned ID forgot button. So just copy this and select this button dot click, and also define a function, and now what will do if we click this forget button? First we need to hide the login form. So just select our login form. So login form, not login form, login box, and here we will just pass hide function, and what we want to show here, just forgot box want to show. So let's check is this working or not. So refresh. So when I click on forgot, so it will doing nothing. Let's check what's the problem. So just go to console and click on, so type error I is undefined and reference error dollar is not defined. So just check where is the problem. So document ready, function forget button, click function, and login box hide, and so remove this and write from scratch script, and inside this I'll write document ready function so first we will target this registration form. So just here we will write register button and register button dot click function. Now what will we do if we click on this register button? We will just hide, first we will show our register box. So register box dot show, and we will also hide the login box. So login box dot hide. Now let's check. So when I click, so nothing is happening. First we need to check our jQuery library is working or not. So just comment this all, and I will write an alert here, hello. So alert is also not working. So where is the problem? So okay, so we have not included our jQuery library file here, CDN link here. That's why it's not working. So just go to code.jquery.com and click on minified version, copy this and paste above this and save. Now it will work. So just remove this and also uncomment this. Sorry. Now refresh this and click on this. So you can see here when we click on the register button, then our login form is gone and our registration form is showing. So now if we click this login button here, then we will again back to the login form and hide this registration form. So we will do, so this is now what we'll do if we click on login button. So login button dot click function, what we will do after login button, so we will just copy this and paste, and we will hide the register box and show the login box. So just save and check if this is working or not. So when I'm clicking register button, so our registration form is showing, and when I'm clicking login here, then registration form is hiding and login form is showing. Same we will do for forget password. So here we will just target forget button dot click function, and what we will do, we will hide our login box. So just copy this and we will show our forget box. So just copy and change the ID, forget box. So refresh this and click this, so you can see our login form is hidden and our reset password form is displaying here. So what we will do next, when we click back, then this form should be hide and login forms will show again. So just go inside and back button, we will trigger back button. Now if we click function, now what we will do, we will just hide the forget box. We will just hide the forget box, and what we will show, we will show our login box. So just copy this and paste. Now go to and refresh. So when we refresh, then if we want to go register form, so when we click register button, we will here, and when we click on login, so we will again go back to login, and when we will click on forget password, then we will see this, and when we click on back, then we will again come to the login. So this is for this video is very long. So in next video I will show you how to validate this form and registration form also. So stay tuned guys, and thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit on like button and subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching again.